How you guys doing today? Alright, so I'm going to recite Surah Mulk for you guys today, inshallah. Alright. So first and foremost, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Abdul Wahab. I also go by the Warner. I give street dawah in Los Angeles. I mainly focus on giving dawah to non-Muslims. And alhamdulillah, I very much enjoy it. As you guys see, if you guys see the videos, I am very passionate about giving dawah to non-Muslims. I enjoy it, dearly. And alhamdulillah, it's very, very rewarding in this life and the hereafter. Inshallah, I'm going to go ahead and recite some Qur'an for you guys. And then let's look forward to the chat, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور الذي خلق 7 سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو حسير ولقد زينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير وللذين كفروا بربهم عذاب جهنم وبئس المصير إذا ألقوا فيها سمعوا لها شهيقا وهي تفور تكاد تميز من الغيظ كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير. Okay, so when it comes to advice, first and foremost, I want you guys to know the power that we have as Muslims, So if you recognize the power that you have as a Muslim, you need to share the wealth of knowledge that Islam contains. It is an obligation upon each and every single one of us. We live in the city, or you guys live in a city known as Chicago, right? They say there's a lot of, shootings, a lot of murders, a lot of death going on in the city. If you guys live in a city where shaitan is running rampant, how dare we as Muslims stay here and not try to make a positive effect on this environment? If we're a Muslim surrounded by non-Muslims, how dare you not share the message with them? You have to understand, these people are suffering without the message of Islam. These people are absolutely suffering. If we know that the Qur'an says you could only find peace through the remembrance of Allah, and none of these people know Allah, then guess what? They're all suffering. And how dare you just watch them suffer when you know better? So it's an obligation upon each and every single one of us to speak up and say what needs to be said. Because I guarantee you on the day of judgment, you will regret not speaking up. When you see me up there with all my good deeds, I'm like, hey man, you should have did it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's all I got to say for right now, man.